Straight lines number 7. If the points A, B, C, capital A, capital B, capital C are collinear, then the value of K, option 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, collinear, points are collinear means slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AB y2 minus y1 2 minus 8 by minus 2 minus 6. Next, slope of BC y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2 by x2 minus x1. K minus of minus 2 means k plus 2. 2 minus 8 minus 6 by minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 minus cancel 2 3 so 2 4 so minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by k plus 2 cross multiplication 3 into k 3k 3 into 2 6 3 into 4 12 minus 12 plus 6 becomes minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 3 1 so 3 6 so k equal to minus 6. Option 3 is the answer. Next one, the medians AD and BE of the triangle AD and BE of the triangle, medians AD and BE are medians of the triangle with vertices A, B, C. A 0 comma B, B 0 comma 0, C A comma 0, A comma 0, 0 comma 0, 0 comma B are mutually perpendicular. Medians AD, B are mutually perpendicular. Medians means this is the median. Median means a line drawn from vertex to midpoint of opposite side. This is the midpoint. The midpoint formula. Midpoint of BC. D equal to midpoint of BC formula. x1 plus x2 by 2. 0 plus A by 2, comma y1 plus y2, 0 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus A by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2, 0. Midpoint of, this is the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC means E. 0 x1 plus x2, 0 plus A by 2, comma B plus 0 by 2, 0 plus A by 2, B plus 0, B by 2. This is the, take one by one. M1 equal to slope of AD. This is the slope of AD. Slope means formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AD. y2 minus y1 0. This is the x1 y1. This is the x2 y2. 0 minus b by a by 2 minus 0. A by 2 minus 0 equal to 0 minus b by a by 2 minus 0. A by 2. This is shifted. Minus 2b by a. Next, M2. Slope of BE. Here x1 y1 x2 y2 formula y2 minus y1 b by 2 minus 1 by minus 0 by x2 minus x1 a by 2 minus 0. B by 2 minus 0 by a by 2 minus b by 2 minus 0 b by 2 a by 2 minus 0 a by 2 2 cancel remaining b by a 2 cancel b by a. Here two lines are perpendicular. Perpendicular means condition. This is the condition, very important. Two lines are perpendicular condition. M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. M1 minus 2b by a into M2 b by a equal to minus 1. Minus cancel. 2b into b, 2b square, b into b square, 2b square equal to a into a square into 1. A into a square into 1, a square. A equal to square root of a equal to square root of root 2 into square root cancel root 2b. Taking square roots on both sides. Square root cancel. Here root 2, here square root cancel. Next problem. Answer A equal to root 2b. The equation of the line passing through the point 2 comma minus 3 and parallel to the line joining points 1 comma 2 minus 1 comma 5 is actually one point passing through the one point and parallel to the line joining points. First slope take slope formula y2 minus y1 5 minus 2 by minus 1 minus 1 5 minus 2 3 by minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Equation of line formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the parallel. Parallel means slope same. Parallel means slope same. Suppose here perpendicular, here take minus 1 by m. Here parallel to the, so y minus y1 equal to m into same slope same m into x minus x1. Y, which point? This is the passing through the point. This is the x1, this is the y1. x1 plus 2, y1 plus minus 3. Y minus y1, y1 plus minus 3, minus of minus plus 3 equal to m minus 3 by 2 into x minus x1, x1 plus 2, y plus 3 equal to minus 3 by 2 into x minus 2. 2 into y, 2y, 2 into 3, 6, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus into minus plus, 3 2s, 6. Here plus 6 cancel. 3 minus becomes plus 3x plus 2y equal to 0.